Parallel lines are a pair of lines that lie on the same plane and do not meet however far we extend them at both ends. Parallel lines are often used in artwork and shading. Line T intersects lines L and M. T is called a transversal. Notice that 8 angles are formed when a line crosses a pair of lines. When a transversal intersects 2 lines, it forms 8 angles with a maximum of 4 distinct angle measures. Corresponding angles. You can notice that the transversal T forms 2 sets of angles, one with line L and another with line M. There are angles in the first set that correspond to angles in the second set based on their position. Angle 1 and angle 5 are called corresponding angles. Similarly, angle 2 and angle 6, angle 3 and angle 7, angle 4 and angle 8 are the corresponding angles formed when transversal T intersects lines L and M. When a pair of lines are not parallel to each other, the corresponding angles formed by a transversal can never be equal to each other. When L and M lines are parallel to each other, then angles, angle A and angle B, are corresponding angles formed by the transversal T on lines L and M. These corresponding angles are equal to each other. Or we can say, when the corresponding angles formed by a transversal on a pair of lines are equal to each other, then the pair of lines are parallel to each other. Alternate angles. Angle D is called the alternate angle of angle F, and angle C is the alternate angle of angle E. Alternate angles formed by a transversal intersecting a pair of parallel lines are always equal to each other. The interior angles on the same side formed by a transversal intersecting a pair of parallel lines always add up to 180 degrees. Here, angle 3 plus angle 6 equals 180. Angle 4 plus angle 5 equals 180.